Up next is the letter M. M.
M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M is for monkey, playful and fun.
M is for monkey, happy and funny, eating bananas when it's sunny. Monkey, playful all day, eating bananas in a fun, cheeky way. M is for monkey, drumming with cheer, filling the jungle with music to hear. M is for monkey, happy and smart, wearing a hat, mowing the lawn in the morning with delight. M is for monkey, cheerful and bright, holding a pineapple with pure delight. M is for monkey, merry and wild, swinging and laughing from tree to tree. Today, we learned the letter M. M for monkey.